Hey everyone, Tanya B here and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the box by Fashionsta for January 2020. For those of you who are new here, I am Tanya B. I do unboxings, empties, product reviews, and cooking with Tanya B segments. I'm actually making, for my dinner tonight, I will be filming that meal. And a meal this weekend. So stay tuned and check those out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads. And yes, so the box by Fashionsta. It arrived late this month. I feel like I'm hit or miss. Last month I was one of the first people to get the box. 2 months ago, I was one of the last, and this month, I'm one of the last. So, hoping that February box, I'm one of the first people. This box is $24.99 a month. I was one of the original subscribers, so I do get it for $19.99 a month. But I will leave a link down below where you can sign up. There may still be a wait list. I'm not quite sure anymore, but you can check that out. So, this did come with some outer plastic from the post office saying that this box was damaged, but I did peek a little in it and everything from the outside looked fine to me. It did have like this, so it looks like something got wet, but I'm probably gonna have to open all the products and figure out if something is leaking or not. So we will do that. So as always, you get a card and our box of goodies with the squigglies that make a freaking mess everywhere. I find them all over my house. And the retail value of this month's box is $139. So without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing I am seeing is by CLE. And this is the CLE multi-cream. I'm going to take it out of the box. It is just like printed on the side of the box, so you can't really see. I have to open it from the bottom because the top is sealed. So this is what that looks like. It is 2.2 fluid ounces and is a multi-cream. Infused with calming Palo Santo essential oils and extract for moisturizing skin. Ideal for use as a daily moisturizer for all skin types. And this does retail for $32. Does it have a safety seal? It does, so I'm actually not going to open it right now, but this is definitely something that I will use. It's a deep moisturizing agent, so probably a good day cream or night cream. I will have to try it out in the future and let you guys know. And I did just actually learn something online from another YouTuber. I don't know if everybody knows this or not, but on the back of all this packaging, there's like this little jar. And it has the amount of months in it from when you open the product until the product is expired. So this particular product is 12 months. And I've never really paid attention to that. So I'm going to start. And this doesn't expire until 2021, April of 2021. So, I mean, it's good for over a year anyway. All right. Up next is by Bang Beauty. And this is the Kiss Me Lip Crayon. Retails for $18. All right. It's a very pretty color right there. Now, I will be honest, I will not use this. I'm definitely not a lip crayon person, so I am going to be putting this in a future giveaway for one of you to get and use. The next item is by Luna, and this is their Eternal Lip Oil. I don't think I have a lip oil. So it comes in clear packaging. It's pink. Very pretty packaging. I do have one of their lip glosses and I like that. And this retails for $18. So I am definitely going to be giving this a try. This luxurious lip oil formula transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated while adding a hint of sheer color. So yes, I love it. This is definitely a product that I'm going to get a lot of use out of. And something that I don't already own, which is always a plus for how much stuff I do own. All right, next up is by Metalit, and this is their 4-in-1 Radiance Face Gel, and I got the gold. There was silver, gold, and bronze, and I can't remember which was which. Oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask, highlighter, 20-minute treatment, and moisturizer. So yes, gold revitalizing. I think this is the one that I didn't want out of the three. I think I wanted the bronze the most, then the silver, then the gold. So I might actually just try to trade this with somebody. It is sealed, so I'm actually not going to open it. If there is anyone who wanted the gold and got the bronze or the silver, please let me know down in the comment section. I would gladly trade. I think the bronze was for like dry skin, and the silver was for maybe aging skin. And I feel like this one was the one for like oily skin, which I don't have. They all had different benefits. So if anybody wants to trade, let me know. If not, I will give this one a try. And that retails for $15. All right. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Next is by Galactic, and this is their Precision Marker Liner. It retails for $20. I know I've definitely gotten this before in an Ipsy bag, and I'm pretty sure I liked it. I don't know. I'm going to swatch it, and I'm going to let it dry down. We're going to see how it goes. So here is like a light line, a medium line, and a deep line. We'll just let it dry down over the next two and then see how smudge proof it is. It says weightless, long-lasting smudge proof formula. So not waterproof, but long-lasting. All right, we have 2 items left. 7 items this month. That's bomb. This is by Kaolian. There we go. And this is a 2-step. Where are we? Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo. So the step 1 is the Blackhead Steam Pore Pack, and the step 2 is the Pore Original Pack. Ooh, got a little sticker on there. May or may not be able to open this. Oh, I got it. Sometimes my nails just don't really cooperate when I'm trying to open things. I do have pores on my nose, side of my nose, and like right here. So definitely anything I can do to help that out. It does come with like a little spoon scooper thing. And it looks like this. So then step 1, we have the like black charcoal looking goo. And then take the top off. And we have step 2. Sealed in there. Ooh. And looks like that. I think this is like cooling gel. Stick that back on there. Keep it nice and sealed until I use it. But I'm definitely excited to try this out. And this retails for $18. All right. And then the last item in the box, which I am super excited about, is the palette. It is by City Limits, and this is it's by IBY Beauty, sorry, and this is their City Limits palette. All right, let's get into this. I don't have anything from IBY Beauty, but I feel like I've seen their stuff before. This palette retails for $20, and it contains 12 shades. Does have a mirror. Checking out how my makeup looks today. I'm wearing the Violet Voss Essentials palette. I wear exactly 4 colors out of the palette. It's Amanda did a review on that palette too, saying that she only uses like a couple colors out of it, and I totally get it because I use like the same 3 colors. The rest of the palette's kind of useless to me, but I like those colors so much I just keep it. So, all right. So, yes, it comes with a mirror and then 12 shades. And we have mattes. We have shimmers. I would pretty much, maybe other than like this green and blue down here, I would wear pretty much every color in this palette. So I'm very excited to give this palette a try. It's this fire and ice color. It's like absolutely beautiful. It almost looks like a duochrome. I think it is. Fire and ice and then light snow. I think those are both duochromes, which I absolutely love. So I cannot wait to play with this palette. And if I have it on my eye in a future video, I will definitely mention that. So yes, we got 7 items this month for a total retail value of $139. I personally paid $19.99 for this box. So I am paying roughly $3 an item. There's only one item in here that I just won't use, and it has nothing to do with the fact that I don't like the item. I really have no problem with a lip crayon, and it is a very pretty color. It's just not something I'm going to run to based on what I like to put on my lips. And obviously I need giveaway stuff for you guys. So yes, that is it for the box by Fashionsta for January 2020. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to click my bobblehead above. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.